Got a big gun and I'm not afraid to use it. Alright. I gotta go through it. Mission 1. It says, go through lava floor and find first clue. Watch out, there is someone looking after it. Good luck. Go through lasers and find the second clue. Beware of the secret spy. Spy. Got a big gun and I'm not afraid to use it. Alright, you gotta go through it. Alright, let me get through the lasers. Go into the room. Go into the room or I will finish you. Okay. Hand it to me. Alright, clue number 2. It says, love dad. Love dad. It must be a fake clue. Oh. Where was I supposed to get that one from? Here, Jacob, give me the first clue. Give me the first clue. That one. This, the one on the floor. This one. Oh! Watch out, Jake. Hold on. What does this say? It says, we you. It says, we you love dad. What? It says, we love you, dad. Oh, we love you, dad. Uh-oh, Jacob's stuck. Oh, hey, what happened? Hey, where's your brothers and your mama? Let's go look for them. You can be my shield. You go first. Go. You be my shield in case they try to shoot me. Oh! Oh! By the way, this is my weapon of choice, and it has 35 bullets. Alright, what's next? It says Mission 3. Mission 3 says more lava. Get through the lava and find the final clue. Beware of being ambushed. Well, I thought that's what just happened, but apparently there's another ambush coming. Here, Jacob, you go first. Go. You go first. You're an innocent child. They won't do anything to an innocent child. Go, Jake. Yes. Hey, why don't you want to go first? Huh? Are you scared of your brothers? Uh-oh. It's really dark in here. Let's add some light. Careful, because Jacob's face is coming first. Hey, you're walking over the lava. Jake, you're walking over the lava. Are your feet burning? Are your feet burning? No? Uh-oh. Watch your belly.
Oh no! See, Mom, I told you at the beginning!
Hey!
I'm not voting yet!
Come out, or you guys will regret it. Oh! Oh! You out of bullets yet? I still got 15 to go. And Jacob's carrying the rest of them for me.
Hey, I know karate! What? Wow! Oh no! Wow! Hey, you got baby! She got baby!
Where's he? Alright, Mom gives up. Where's the other little guy?
You know what? Mom, I said shot. You prefer gun. I did.
Oh.
Oh, come on!
Last clue. Oh, what? Alright, well, this is the last clue. Let's see if I can put this together. Because you didn't make any sense. Uh-oh.
You still gotta go through those lasers.
What happened here? Oh! It says, we love.
I want your gun.
We love you, Dad, wife, and kids. Thank you. We love you too. CycloJc, I think you're on the lava. Uh-oh, you're gonna cut through the lasers? Bruh. You like my gun?
Yes, but by the way, those lasers took a long time to make.
They did.
Yeah. Used a lot of tape.
There's Special Agent Cyclo Mom. And CycloJc. Hi, CycloJc. Hi, CycloJc. Hi, beautiful. What are you doing? Who put you up to all of this? Who put you up to all of this? Why'd you do that?
I put her up. I put everyone up. I'm practically the general.
So it's your fault.
Yes, it is my fault.